Hey, do you want to learn how to shade? Well, here are some basic shading techniques you need to know. Number one is called hatching. Hatching basically involves you shading with these lines, horizontal or vertical, in whatever direction. They all must be flowing in one direction. It's the most common shading technique that most artists use. I also use that for the shadow. Number two is dottism. Dottism is a shading technique which is used when shading rough surfaces. Now, as beautiful as it looks, it's very, very time consuming. Probably took me a lot of minutes to get this done, but I finally did it. It's a very nice shading technique. I very recommend it. Yeah. Number three is called cross hatching. Like the previous one, it's also used for rough surfaces. Very nice shading technique. I'd obviously recommend it. Yeah. And last but not the least is probably the second most common shading technique called smoothing. Smoothing is basically hatching and then rubbing it with a finger or maybe a piece of paper just to make the surface more smooth and to look more realistic. This is used for shading faces or skin, human skin to be specific. Okay, if you would like a more detailed video about shading and shading techniques, feel free to subscribe to this channel and click that notification bell for more videos so you don't miss out. And feel free to drop a like. Thanks for watching.